At Chamonix, a 2-century-old resort in Haute-Savoie, situated at 1,035 meters in an exceptional natural site dominated by the Massif du Mont Blanc on one side and les Aiguilles Rouges on the other, Skibo presents you the residence La Rivière. Ideal for a family or between friends skiing holiday, the residence La Rivière, with a wooden facade, is in the Chamonix Sud neighborhood, at 300 meters from the cable car of l'Aiguille du Midi and 5 minutes away from the center resort. For your comfort during your skiing holiday, the residence offers a ski closet, laundrette, luggage room, billiards and ping pong table. Your rental has an equipped kitchen corner with hot plate, fridge, microwave, electric coffee machine and dishwasher. If you wish to know more about the residence La Rivière, find us on skiped.com.